Hi.
Hey everyone, welcome to a delayed episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Tone Base. We are on the blockchain cruise currently in Italy.
And
Oh, wait,
right
I'm
now.
sorry, we forgot to mic you up. These things are always tricky and I hate doing it.
Yeah.
I really, really do. There you go.
Perfect.
We are with the lovely Susie. You saw her on
a Segway.
On a Segway, waving at you guys. Thanks for the
And my
gif.
face side.
And
Thank you for whoever made that.
having a great time on the blockchain cruise. So how have you been enjoying it so far? Is it your first cruise ever?
No, it's not my first cruise ever. My first cruise ever, I think we went to Puerto Rico and Bahamas. The first blockchain cruise ever. That's always fun.
Yeah, so how you enjoyed it? Did you enjoy the presentations? Did you make any of the presentations?
I didn't make a
The
single
parties are running a little
one.
late here these days.
Yeah. No, I was not a part of anyone. My boss was, but I caught a couple of them. Not really the morning ones, unfortunately. Mainly the afternoon ones, and it's been a lot of fun. I'm a big fan of the excursions. Actually, we went on helicopters in Mallorca. We did Segway
Oh yeah,
tour.
the helicopters were a lot of fun.
I almost got motion sickness. It was really fun. Like it was like 20 minutes, and the last 2 minutes, I'm like, oh boy, like find a fixed point, like, you know, don't look away. I definitely got like minor motion sickness, which is crazy because I'm usually very good on like boats and flying, but I guess that helicopter was just like a little bit too shaky.
All right, so what are we drinking here?
I'm drinking an extremely watered down Negroni, and you're drinking an extremely watered down tequila.
Well, considering this was like a pint of tequila and it was getting really, really warm after I already finished half of it, we had no choice but to water it down with a little ice.
How long have we been drinking for? Like
An unreasonable amount.
An unreasonable amount.
Yeah.
You were supposed to do a hot tub interview.
I did do a hot tub interview. It was getting a little too hot.
I can imagine. Yeah, you were, because you had like 2 back-to-back hot tubs. So I was like, oh my God, he's going to turn into a prune by the time he exits.
I know, we do like interviews like half the day, but I did my presentation today. We were on the panel today, so that was a lot of fun. It's the last full day. Tomorrow we get off at Rome. We'll chill in Rome for a while, and then it'll be time to go to Germany. Lawrence and a couple of other guys, I texted a few people to come down, see if they want to get interviewed about their projects. Surprisingly, people are learning their lessons, and they don't come on. They don't come on this YouTube channel anymore and mention their projects. Though it'll be hard to find unsuspecting victims around here.
Take a seat. Take a seat, sir.
Yeah, if we find someone interesting walking by, we'll definitely pull them in. I know you guys are dying to hear what's going on with the price. Short answer, nothing. Long answer, we have to go and look at the charts. Time for screen share. Ooh.
What's screen share?
That's when they get to see the monitor, and you and I are in the little corner up there on the right. Yep. And we're looking at tomorrow. It's my schedule. I will be in Berlin, Germany as of tomorrow. And then I will come back to the US, go to Pork Fest.
Where's that going to be?
That is in New Hampshire. That's where all the libertarians and all of the, you know, the bunker people come down and talk.
Maybe I should come to New York instead.
Yeah, so where are you off? Where are you going to be off to next weekend?
I'm going to be in New York for a little bit, and I'm hoping to go to Miami in like 2 weeks. Fingers crossed. I'm from Miami, so I try to escape the city as often as I can.
Yeah, she forgives me being Seminole.
Yeah. I was gonna,
All right, let's look at the charts. This is what I normally do on my channel. So we had the 9, this big 9 with a red arrow. Normal people would have gotten out of Bitcoin. The rest complain about how wrong I am with the price calls. And Bitcoin is in the middle of a 1 to 4 week pullback. We already had a full week of the 9 itself. Now, yesterday, this thing wasn't looking too hot. Today, Bitcoin has rallied back to 8,000. The weekly chart is not telling us anything other than we are in the middle of a 1 to 4 week correction. Let's look at the daily chart. Ooh, the daily chart is very, very close to breaking my no trade zone. That means for as much as I was interested in Bitcoin to fall down and pull back, according to the rules of sequential, I didn't even know this. I haven't looked at the price in 3 days. If tomorrow we are breaking this green line with a green 2 above a green 1, the only trade to make is to the upside. And this looks like a pretty damn good trade. Maybe I've had alcohol, probably why all of a sudden I'm bullish on
Everything looks
Bitcoin.
great.
Yeah, everything looks great on Bitcoin. People are gonna love the tone vase after an unreasonably large cup of tequila. It's not even a glass at this point. And yeah,
It
it
was
looks
an
bullish.
aggressive serving.
I know, it really was. This is what happens when you have like the VIP suite. Not my. I'm not a baller like that. The conference has a VIP suite
Yes.
for the VIPs and the speakers. But
I keep on forgetting to bring my VIP badge on purpose and trying to test their memory.
I know it should be like VIP speakers and ladies,
But
because there's a
no,
because unlike
I've got a legit VIP
no,
badge.
I know you do, but you should need one.
Shouldn't need one.
Unlike last year's cruise where the ratios were a little skewed, you heard stories.
I did. I read articles on it. Yeah.
And yet you came.
Oh well, I had an understanding that I knew from the beginning that it would be a very different kind of cruise. I knew that we'd be outnumbered. Well, first of all, it wouldn't be like that many crypto people, and that it would. I just like I had a heads up that it wouldn't be what it was last year, for better or worse.
Yeah, debatable if it's for better or worse.
Yeah. More productive.
Oh God, no, I didn't say that. Oh God, I'm gonna. But anyway, so tomorrow, if we have a green 2 going above a green 1, going above this consolidation area, which seems to be in like the 8,050 range, let's say 850, right? So if tomorrow we're breaking 8,050 with a green 2 candle, do you know anything about candles? Like the trading candles? You gotta attend one of my workshops.
Okay.
I'm creating degenerate gamblers by the day, and
no gambling here.
well, that's what trading is. So tomorrow, if we have a green 2 going above a green 1, going above this green line, that could be a bullish trade to the upside. It actually looks like a really good trade. As much as it pains me to say, Bitcoin is on a trade to the upside. It is on a trade to the upside, but not today, tomorrow. Now, I'm going to slide this green line over, I think. This is the 12-hour chart. No, I got to keep it where it is. The 12-hour chart isn't as clean as the daily chart. Technically, the 12-hour chart went bullish last candle, but right now is a red 1 candle. So let's wait. Let's hope this closes as a red 1. You got a green 1 tomorrow. It's really easy. It's like the simplest indicator ever.
Yeah.
So the reason why this is a red 1 is because this little line is higher. If you go count back 4 times, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you take this line at the top. As long as this line is lower than the line at the top, you get a red number. If it's going to be higher than this line at the top, you get a green number.
Okay.
9 green numbers in a row, you may want to consider getting out of your trade.
Okay.
It's one of these indicators, been around for 40 years, but people are learning it now. So if we keep this at a red 1, green 1 next candle, and then a green 2, breaking a green 1, breaking 8,050, and on this chart, more like 8,200, and then this chart goes way bullish. And bullish means we're expecting prices of Bitcoin to rise. Wow, the 4-hour chart actually looks kind of in the middle of nowhere. Man, this green dotted line, we just can't break below it. It was really looking like it was going to do it. I was, the other day, I was watching Bitcoin go back down to 7,500, and I was all ready for a $5,000 Bitcoin. But the lines just held. The support keeps holding. We're being supported by a cluster of moving averages. If we rally this up to 8,200, all the moving averages will flip. This is really starting to look like a bullish trade, but I still think the pullback is upon us. Keep those stop losses tight on this trade, guys. The hourly chart, not very useful. Bitcoin dominance chart, not very useful. Leverage doesn't look like anything's interesting. I do want to take a look at the BitMax fund rate. Ooh, right. So the BitMax funding rate is negative. So that goes well for bigger prices of Bitcoin in the near future. Another Negroni?
Yes.
Oh, sir.
May I have another one, please?
One more Negroni for the lady.
Thank you. Right here. A fancy purple card.
I know. Oh, you got the drink package, baller.
Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, it's a Negroni. Huh? Yes, there is. I had one earlier. I had one here. Don't know what that is. They're fine. Tell me there's no Negroni. Like I'm not holding one in my hand right now. Okay. Anyways.
All right. I love listening to side conversations out of my ear.
Anything interesting? My team.
Oh, you don't want to say that.
No.
We're not gonna say the name.
Not gonna say that.
We're not gonna say the name of the coin, but I will repeat what I was hearing. We need to get to $10 billion. We need to crush all the other coins. Good luck with that. Wish you guys the best. And the GBTC premium, man, I want to get into this thing, but I need it lower. I'm gonna stay patient. Guys. If you're a short-term trader, looks like a bullish trade is incoming, but I would still be careful. Gold is gold's in a bullish trend, but it still needs to break 1375 to be actually long-term bullish. Until it does, not that interesting. Silver is lagging behind. Oil, oh, this looks terrible. Guys, oil, this thing is a disaster. I might actually short oil here. Tomorrow is going to be Friday, which is unfortunate, but a red 2 below a red 1, below the prior lows of oil is not looking good. And here comes the countdown phase. 1, 2, 3, looking for a 13. I know it fell a lot, and there was your little pullback. 1, 2, 4 candle correction after a red 9. Classic textbook, my textbook, not the actual textbook. And I think down we go in oil. US dollar, we got to zoom in on this. Oh, God. Oh, let me double click this. Better. Let me double click that. Hey, that's easy. I hate using the mouse. I'm also not looking at your live chat, guys.
Anything interesting?
Come on. Oh, you don't want to look at the live chat.
You don't want to look at that?
Oh, God, no.
I'm not sensitive.
Oh, look at this. Oh, maybe you should look at the live chat. There you go. Look at the live chat.
That's it. An alcoholic from Jersey.
Notice bullish, time to dump Bitcoin. Blurry.
Blurry.
I don't know what that means.
Oh my God, they're so mad.
I have a few admins. They might be deleting the sexually explicit comments.
Yeah.
She's definitely an alcoholic from Jersey.
Yeah. Oh, totally.
Are you an alcoholic from Jersey?
I'm not an alcoholic, and I'm not from Jersey.
Tone upping his game. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh no, I said I'm not sensitive. Ew.
Oh, it gets bad.
Ew. You people are disgusting.
Terrible.
Terrible. Anyways.
All right, well, what are we looking at here? It's the dollar. The dollar hit a 9 on the weekly. 1 to 4 week correction is over. I think it's time for the dollar to start rising again. But just watch out. If we get below yesterday's low next week, then this 9 was an actual reversal and not a short-term top. That's basically how we trade these things. But that's on a weekly scale, right? So next week is another week. The European, God needs to update. The European currency versus the dollar. If this is a 1 to 4 week correction to the upside, if the dollar flips, so will the euro, and it'll start going back down. The S&P 500 is still bullish. It's slowed down a little bit on this daily. I haven't looked at it in 3 days. Closed the little gap here, and I'm not too concerned about it yet. Let's see what happens next week. The weekly S&P, not very concerning. Let's wait till next week. And we can take a look at a few stocks. I haven't looked at them in a while. I've been trying to buy into Lyft, but it's not cooperating from the price side. Sorry, guys, I forgot which equities were on interesting nines or not. Like, this is why we now have a notification service. I should probably, oh, you know what I'm going to do? Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go here. I'm going to delete that because otherwise something bad can happen. Hey, so this is the notification service. And it's my Telegram. Have fun trolling, guys. And we started the notification service. It's only open for people that at one point in their life have paid me money. So if you have not paid me money at any point in your life, you do not have access to this. And it's for all the members that attended my past workshops or bought the access to the indicator or did a consulting session. And this is free for the summer, and then we're going to start charging. So basically, anytime a major asset hits a 9 or a 13, you get a notification. So if you are not paying attention to my Telegram group chat, you should. There is a link in that group chat to get into this thing. It's free to the summer, and then we're going to lock it down, okay? So there you go. All right, back to stocks. Amazon. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm just going to look for anything that has a 9 on it. That shouldn't have, oh,
That's not a Negroni.
I know, but it would have been funny if it was. You're a Negroni. It only looks like a strawberry daiquiri, but it's a Negroni. Whatever this is interesting. Apple. Look at this. You buy off the 9. A little tricky with the following candle. And it's about to potentially top on a 9. I think there was a better stock. I think Tesla did a great job of a 9 buy. And I know a few people that bought into Tesla. Let's wait for the indicator. There it is. That was a nice buying opportunity off this green arrow. And we're on a 7. If we get to a 9, there'll be a red arrow. So just keep that in mind. Starbucks. I had someone trading Starbucks. And he's still doing very well. Look at this. You are doing well, sir. You were at my workshop. You bought right off the 9, and tomorrow might be a good exit opportunity for you. So just keep that in mind. It depends on what the candle looks like. You don't have to buy it all. Whatever TSG is, it looks like it's about to go down and go down hard, but it's too late to short it. It's already too cheap. Twitter. We're on Twitter. We're using Twitter. Let's see how useful Twitter is. Twitter is pretty bullish. It is being supported by the moving average. It's on a 5 of 9. Let's see if we can get to new highs on the swing. But be careful if it goes under the moving averages. Twitter is the bull market, and Twitter is over. And finally, Lyft. I really want to buy this thing at like sub $40, but it's not working with me here. All right, come on. Here is Lyft. Lyft is still a little pricey for my taste. I want to see it reset. I want to get a new red 1, a new red 2 going below a red 1, and I want to see it below the swing lows. All right, guys. I don't see anyone to interview. Lawrence didn't want to come by.
Everyone's scared of us.
I was hanging out with Da Vinci. I never met Da Vinci before. Another trader on YouTube. Am I getting any tips to take my shirt off?
Stop it.
I'm taking bids.
You can't steal cash for kidney. I'm dead.
Oh, Bitcoin Motorist is banning people. Tone, can you take a look at something? I never even heard of it. Let me see here. Race. What is race? Traded. Where's Lambo? Is there a stock called Lambo? Lambo's 5 letters. Shit. It's hard to get a 5-letter stock. Ferrari. Ooh, nice bull run for Ferrari. So Ferrari is on a huge bull run. Wow, that's impressive. Look, oh my God. Hey, we need to add Ferrari to the list of stocks and our list of things for 9 notification. Look at this. I've been telling people a 9 after a 9 has been so good. It's ridiculous. A 9 following a 9 has been amazing reversals. And look how this reversed right there on the 9. Amazing. And we have not had another 9 yet, but maybe in 3 days we will have another 9 for a nice selling opportunity. Let's keep an eye on Ferrari. This is a good call. Not Ferrari. Hey, it's Ferrari. Race. We're adding race to the tone-based watch list. And I want to keep an eye on this in 3 days. So someone needs to remind me in 3 days. I'll be in Germany to take a look at the 9 sell in Ferrari. These are the kinds of things you want to be notifying in the TD notification service. And eventually you'll have to pay for it. So enjoy the free service while it lasts.
Look at Brandon.
Is there a reason why he's still wearing a full suit?
No idea, but I love it. Where's my phone?
Brock was just with us, but he had to go speak.
Yeah. Oh, he's speaking. Yeah, he was at the VIP lounge earlier.
Yeah. I'm supposed to get an award tonight. That should be fun. Taking pictures.
Oh no.
No, zoom in further. I'm sure he'll love it.
Okay. Like, oh really? He looks looks like a synth lord right now.
Oh, I should check my messages here, huh? Oh
wait, you're about to be in a selfie from Victor. You're about to be in Victor's selfie.
Oh God, I'm being everyone's.
You know, from all directions.
Hey guys.
That's the thing. There's more of us here than just the people on camera. There's like 50 models on the boat. Half of the, oh my God, it's so crazy.
All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. There's not much else other than if you like my work and want to support my work, please check out the affiliate section of the website and sign up for TradingView, TourGuard. If you are in very specific jurisdictions, one of them not being in America, you can sign up for Deribit and do some trading. You also have Paxful if you're looking to buy and sell Bitcoin, want to buy a hat, want to buy a watch. Use these links. They do support this free YouTube channel. And yeah, it's looking good on race. All right, we got
I want to see that.
These tips better be familiar.
These better be relevant things. Disgusting.
No one is tipping to take my shirt off.
Oh, how disappointing.
6M, S&P 500, and Dow Jones. 6M, 6 month? Or 6 what? Sure. So here is the weekly chart. Here is the monthly chart of S&P 500. The monthly chart of the S&P 500 is only on a 5, so you got plenty of room to the upside. We had an S13, but it looks like we want to go higher. I can try to look at a 6-month chart. I don't have a default for that. I have a 4-month chart. 4-month chart, wow, topped on a 9. What a surprise, right? And now we're going higher again. And I can manually generate a 6-month chart. Gotta move too many things out of the way. I hope we were using the right audio. We were, so that at least I didn't screw that up today. Yeah, we're not gonna keep this too long. We do have to go to the
things to do
for more drinks in the award night. Now. Let's see here. Where was I? Boom. Oh wait. Oh yeah, it's down here. We're gonna make that a 6. We're gonna make this a month, and we're gonna take a look at.
Victor, send me that picture you took earlier. Send me the picture you took earlier. Thank you. No worries.
Well, the 6-month chart doesn't want to load. Probably a lot of data to crunch. There it is. Oh yeah, 6 month is at a 9, but I don't know what a 6 month means. The last time we had a 9, we consolidated for three months, and maybe when we top on a 9, when is this gonna end? This is not gonna end till it ends this month, and then we might consolidate again. I don't know. I really don't know what it means. I don't even know why I looked at it, but I don't know what a 6-month chart means. I don't normally look at 6-month charts. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Other than like Bitcoin is looking bullish, but it has to be tomorrow. There's no trade going on today, but tomorrow, if we're breaking into the $8,100 range, that could take Bitcoin higher. And the good thing for the bulls is that if we go higher on Bitcoin now, the 1 to 4 week correction would have already been probably completed, and we're probably on a path to a new 9. So we actually could go to 10,000 and above, which can happen. So the next trade would be bullish tomorrow with a green 2 above a green 1. I think we're gonna end it here. That's a good picture.
That's a great picture.
I know.
I love it. I'll send it to you. I'll forward it to you.
Tone, please, what? Ascend that shirt. It's an Australian talking. Shirt off. Hey, now I'm getting tips. Now I know how certain ladies feel. Let me not. I didn't say that. I'll take a look at other stocks another time. Am I gonna take my shirt off? I have to. I feel so overdressed.
Okay, sure.
I'm gonna jump into the hot tub. Let's go in the hot tub. We're gonna go in the hot tub. Hold on, wait. Gotta stop the screen share. Hey guys, we're gonna go in the hot tub. It's right behind us. I'm gonna turn the thing. Go in the hot tub?
I'm down, yeah.
Come on, let's go in the hot tub.
Hey guys, you guys wanna get in or? Oh, we're gonna do that over to a party? Oh shit. I'll see.
We're going in the hot tub. We're stripping in front of the camera and then going in the hot tub.
We use a lot of people right now.
You know, this thing is actually open 24 hours and there's like nobody here after like 3 a.m.
Okay, here we go.
So you can really enjoy the scene. All right, guys. So I'm not actually going to be here to turn this off. No one can see me in the camera. Hey, guys. This is what a cruise looks like. Oh, shit. All right. Who wants to turn this off once we get into the hot tub? Oh, but that was empty. She's still. The new Negroni's coming.
You dropped my Negroni.
My tequila stayed.
Thank you. Yeah, I'll give you the glass.
That is so not a Negroni.
It's so. Oh, it has lime. That's definitely not a Negroni.
So you got alcohol. I'm gonna leave it there. All right, hot top time.
Yeah, like we made some nerds very angry today.
Oh yeah.
We made some nerds very, very angry today.
Hey guys, someone's gonna have to turn off the live stream once we're in the hot tub. It's very, very simple.
What do I do? What's the
yeah, in the upper left-hand corner, the mouse is already there. It says stop live stream. We're gonna be rebels. We're gonna climb over.
Oh my God. Jesus.
So, not yet though.
witness the face palm?
Oh, you can also slide over the camera to here, but it's connected to the computer.
Pretend you turn it off and then just keep it.
Well, we gotta take the laptop with it.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's way too warm in here. No, it's way too hot.
Well,
Is it off?
not yet, but it's about to be over. No, it's a tripod. You gotta.
Yeah.
Hi guys. They can't hear me, but maybe they can.
Need some white.
Yep, that's the microphone. Hey, just pull that out.
Yeah. I'll just turn it off, bro. Oh, I'm just gonna call it a day.
Bye, guys. We're gonna have fun. Nope, still on. Upper left-hand corner, just go down, down. Yep.
That
right
live
there.
button there, yeah.
No, just to the right of that.
This one.
Yep. Click on that, and then stop watching.
Got it.
Bye, guys.